Okay, yeah, it's early morning, and I of course have already been up since 3:45, so I had my 3.5 hours sleep. But I'm excited, and yeah, I'm off to the shop, get a few shopping, and then off to Oslo Central Station. Yes, there we have the sun just coming over the Royal Palace in Oslo. Yeah, some of us is letting a lie in. Okay, then we are at Oslo Central Station. We're taking the Gjøvik Line on L3 to Hakadal. We're getting off at Movatn. Yeah, and here we are at Bjørnvann, and as you can see, it's a bright sunny morning. And from here we're gonna go to Bjørnholmen, and then down to Ullevålseter. Yeah, the Norwegian words, they got me tongue twisted. Okay, so like I say, we are at Movatn, and then we're gonna carry on, if there's a way through here, to Bjørnholt, and then we're gonna come down to Ullevålseter, and then following the river that lakes kind of down to Sognsvann, and then either take the bus 25 to back to Majorstua or walking back to the center. Route update: I did not go to Bjørnholt. Yes, what a beautiful morning it is. Almost like the perfect day for a hike. So yeah, one of my tricks would be to have a empty bottle with you. I got some protein powder, and anywhere where you get to a stream, there's no insects, no animals in the area, so the water's nice and clean, get a fresh drink. And then one of my other tricks would be, after I got my protein powder ready, nice chocolate flavor, have some oats in a bag, separate. I've also added a bit of protein powder in the oats already, and a bit of salt. Good to have some salt with you. Here we go. sure nice no air in it. Nice and closed. Just back in my food bag. And now this can soak for a little while. Yeah, and in the bottom of the bottle, yeah, you can see there's a container with another 3 scoops of protein powder. Oops. And always have some protein bars with you, so it's good to have protein. Let's have a sip. Ready for another couple of miles. Wow. It's really truly beautiful. It's my first real hiking adventure, I'd say, in Norway. I've cycled the length of Norway, but walking it is different. I would say I've made maybe one mistake. I didn't expect it to be that wet, so I put on my wrong trainers. Yeah, they are not the waterproof, water-resistant ones. But yeah, I'll learn and I'll wear them next time. Just beautiful. Yeah, and if you're lucky, in the right season, like now we are in autumn, for höst, and we can get some blueberries. Yes, and here we go out on another wild adventure. I'm out in Norway, out in a forest called Nordmarka, just north of Oslo in the forest there. Got off at the station in Movatn, and now I'm making my way back. And like we say in Norway, ut på tur, aldri sur. Enjoy watching me, enjoy following me on my adventures. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, and get out there and enjoy it. Yeah, blueberry time. There we go. Okay, so made it this far. It's just after 2 o'clock. It's about 1.5 kilometers to Ullevålseter and about 6 kilometers to Sognsvann. So yeah, I'm getting good timing. So yeah, there goes a car. Some people are lazy, they're taking the car in nature. So yeah, making good timing and having an awesome adventure. Yeah, now we're at Sognsvann. And like in Norway, you always have a jacket with you because the weather can always change. Just go on all the puddles. This one is a tricky one. And they are getting to Ullevålseter. And we're having a well-deserved apple, cinnamon, bolle and a coffee with a beautiful autumn nature landscape. Just to sit down and enjoy. I guess my feet are wet. It's really wet. Watch my worm. Wildlife in Norway, can't kill it. And when you're out on the hiking trails in Norway, the blue line is for summer, is for hiking, and the red line, that's for skiing. Okay, so after 8 hours and 26 kilometers, I'm at Sognsvann. That means my full day hiking adventure in Nordmarka is completed. Just have to walk down the road and catch the train. I think I've done enough walking for one day. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the adventure with me. If you did, please subscribe. Please click the bell icon. If you want to go on my walk around Sognsvann, click the link above. If you want to go on a safari in Africa around the Kruger National Park, click the link below. Get out there, have fun, enjoy the adventures, and see you next time.